Yes, hello friends and investors. We're finally here in the city of gentle people, Dumaguete City, and we're here in the Camellia project in Dumaguete. And this is the Freya model. This is one of the biggest houses that you can find here in Camellia, Dumaguete. So it's best for families, big families, and for those buyers who want to have a bigger house here in the city of gentle people. Kung diri mo gusto mo puyo sa Dumaguete kay kalmaan, mga buutan kayo ang mga tao diri sa Dumaguete City. So musud ta diri sa unit ug atong tanawon ug unsay mga features ani. This is Freya. So this is the unit, guys. Upon entering the unit mo ni mong makitaan. So this is of course a dressed up unit kay model house man ni siya. So that's the dining area there, and we have the living area. Then we've got the kitchen here. So you can see the rear portion of the house dire, the pita, and of course we have a service area, maid's quarter, or we can turn it into a room for your kids. So we have another bedroom here on the ground floor. So again, ang Freya, ideal na siya sa mga families nga na ilang parents with them who are seniors now who can't actually go upstairs kay maglisod na sila saka. And of course, persons with disabilities, kung namoy member nga PWD who can't actually go up kay, of course, maglisod sila, so they can utilize the bedroom on the ground floor. So this is really ideal for families nga naay members nga requiring special needs. So now let's proceed to the second floor, guys. So upon landing on the second floor, naadayo yung room dire. The first bedroom, it has its own toilet and bath, and that's me. And actually kani nga TNB, gidesign siya nga accessible siya in both bedrooms, duha ka bedrooms. There is a second floor. And we go back to the hallway sa second floor, and there's another bedroom here, the third bedroom, which has me on the mirror, the man on the mirror, its own toilet and bath. So I suppose this is going to be the master's bedroom. And on this portion is a free space. You can turn it into a working space or an entertainment area or study area for the kids. And we have an access here for the balcony area. Let's try checking, guys, kay it's our first time to visit the Camellia Dumaguete project. So muna siya ang balcony area. It's a perfect space for parties, receiving your guests, kung na may mga birthday sa inyong family. So outside, this is the view, and that's the road going to the public roads sa Dumaguete, outside the subdivision. So if you're interested about this model here in Camellia Dumaguete, please send me an email through boholanobroker@gmail.com. Once again, this is Amon Ray Clavano Locare, your real estate broker and appraiser in the Philippines. Welcome to Camellia Homes here in the city of gentle people. And please subscribe on my YouTube channel, that's Cebu Bohol Homes. And thank you, Ipsy, for recognizing our channel. Viva España! Congrats for winning the FIFA World Cup 2026.
For inquiries, please email me at boholanobroker@gmail.com.
Please also subscribe to the YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.